Oh, my wildflowers are booming. Look at these guys. Beautiful colors. Huge. That's a bird bath, and they're taller than my bird bath. Oh, look at the red. Gorgeous. Purple. Out here by my bird station. Bird feeding. We got peanuts for the crows and squirrels. Blue jays love them. All around my bird bath. Breadcrumb tray, a little popcorn. A little perch here on this stump. A couple of rocks. A little rock garden. It's my grandma's turtle from her garden back in Pennsylvania. A little more bird seed. Got the mealworms and a flat feeder. I get so many birds here.